All right. Ali Ghaziani with Bay Equity. How are you today?
Good. How are you, Tom?
Oh, great, man. So, with this crazy market, I just wanted to reach out to you because I know that you're the expert with the mortgage market, with interest rates, with loans, and this crazy market. But let's kind of back up. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I got into the business back in 2004. I was actually on your side. I was on the DRE side, doing loans, and I switched over to direct lending. But been doing this for 17 years. I've been in the business. I went through the ups and downs of 04, 08, 2012. So been around for a while.
Man, that's awesome. And then I know that you've got a family. Tell us about your family real quick.
So I got two boys, 13 and 11, amazing boys. They keep me busy, keep me on my toes. I've been with my significant other for 5 years, so life has been really good.
Man, that's awesome. Well, hey, thanks for jumping on here. Can you share a little bit about what you're seeing in this market right now, and then some of the challenges, and then how you've been able to successfully close deals during this crazy market?
So, I mean, the market's crazy. Every house is getting anywhere from 7 to 10 offers. You have to be super aggressive. So what I like to do is put everybody through underwriting first so that we can go in with no contingencies. Because, I mean, you're dealing with so many cash buyers that you have to be competitive. So having no loan contingency, it's key, especially when someone else does. So the biggest thing in this type of market is the quick close, 21 day or less, no contingencies on the loan. It'll give you a shot against the cash offers.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. And I like the fact that you're just extremely hard worker. You're available at odd ends of the day, the night, the morning. I mean, you pretty much have to be. And I like the fact that you said, you really need to be quick and then also have a pre-approved mortgage. So do you get any pushback from any buyers or agents to have a pre-approved mortgage before they make offers? Let's talk a little bit about any challenges that you're seeing.
No, it's just all about educating them. So, I mean, and look at all the benefits. So basically, it only takes a few days. They're just waiting 3 or 4 days to get the pre-approval from an underwriter, and then they're ready to go. So it benefits them. The agents are really receptive. I haven't gotten any pushback from agents on it. So basically, once I pre-approve them, they go into underwriting 2 more days, and then they're ready to go with no contingencies. So everyone's receptive towards it.
Well, that's awesome. And I know a top loan officer like yourself, I mean, you could work anywhere. Let's talk a little bit about Bay Equity. Why Bay Equity?
So I joined them back in 2011 just because they're a direct lender. I know the owners, they're personal friends of mine. So it really helps me out. And since I've been there for so long, if I need rushes or if I need an underwriter to spend some time with me, they'll spend the time with me and we'll get the file done. So for me, it's a great setup. It's a great system. I love the company. Never going to go anywhere. So it just works out.
Well, I'd like you to drag out your crystal ball right now. And if you could kind of share what you see is going to be in the future of the interest rates.
I mean, I think short term, they're going to stay where they're at. Everything from 2.75 to 3.125. It's going to stay in that range. I don't see it going up right now. The housing market's on fire. The feds are keeping the rates low. And I think at least for the next 6 months to a year, rates are going to stay low. And that's what's causing the market to also, be as hot as it is.
Yeah, well, that's the same thing that I've heard. And of course, the inventory is extremely low. The inventory is about half of what it was last year. And the buyer demand is about twice as much. So, and I love the fact that you say you really have to clarify expectations and communicate with the buyers. And I believe there's three things that need to happen. Number one is need to really connect with the buyers and really what we call a needs analysis to really identify what are they looking for, how we can serve them, and how that, and why that's important to them. And then number two, share, how we can help and how we can serve them and let them know, how we can really help better than anyone else serve with 5-star customer service, right? And then number three is expectations, clarify expectations. My dad used to say, uncommunicated expectations are disappointments waiting to happen. And we really need to clarify what's happening with the market and how the buyers can be successful to purchase a home. So any other nuggets or anything else you'd like to share with our viewers today?
Well, I think the biggest thing is being solution oriented. Right now, bridge loans are a hot commodity in real estate because people who have lots of equity in their current home but have to sell to use that equity in a new home, can't figure out ways to do it. So I always recommend doing a quick bridge loan and then refinancing after they sell their property. Man,
that's great. I love it. You always are able to pull up some great creative ways to serve the clients. So, man, glad we're working with you. Glad you're on our team. So if anyone wants to reach out, how do they get a hold of you?
Either email or phone or text, whatever works for them. I'm pretty responsive with my text, cell phone, or email.
Okay. Awesome. What's your cell number again?
Area code 510-604-6526.
Awesome. Hey, Ali, thanks so much for your time. Appreciate working with you. If you guys have any other questions, reach out to Ali and myself. We're here to help. All right. Thanks so much and have a great day.
Have a great day.